This video demonstrates the steps involved in compounding a formulation using a medisca reference formula. You can see each of the ingredients listed and their strengths. Here is the relevant percentage, which is being automatically calculated in the background using the packing statistics and multiplication factors. This reduces the need for manual calculations to be performed, minimizing the risk of human error. This formulation has also been set up with quality processes, which you can see embedded within the formula. The reference formula provided has been attached for documentation purposes. Devices, pricing, and labeling can also be configured for a master formulation to ensure consistency, and change history is recorded for full transparency. To begin compounding this formulation, we first create a draft. This gives us an opportunity to assess the relevant risks before we start compounding. We can see in the risk assessment section a custom survey to document the reasons for compounding, as well as the patient risk assessment which was added by the patient prior to online payment. All these factors allow the pharmacist to consider the risks involved and document quickly and effectively. Uploading a copy of the prescription allows the pharmacist to check the script from anywhere at any time. Once dispensed, we are ready to start work on this compound. When we start the preparation, we can see that we are prompted with the first step, which is the method from the reference formula. Next, we are told to scan the vitamin D3. We scan the open batch of D3 to confirm that we can proceed. As we place the weight onto an integrated balance, it will stream in real time into Compound Direct. Confirming the weight will allocate the batch to the compounding record as well as remove it from the stock on hand. The scanning of each ingredient and integration of balances provides additional point of validation for the pharmacist. Once all the ingredients have been weighed, we will be asked to confirm that we have placed the powder first in a tightly sealed container and then second in the MAZ with the correct setting as per our medisca reference formula. Lastly, we weigh our sample capsules and record each one for QA purposes. Looking at the risk assessment section, we can see the completed processes all laid out. These include the pre-compounding checklists, as well as the steps taken during compounding. The capsule quality analysis gives us a breakdown and lets us check at a glance that we have even fill across all capsules. Lastly, our internal chemical reference system provides an insight as to whether these actives are within a reasonable range. This helps our clients avoid mistaking micrograms for milligrams and improves overall patient safety. Now, if we look at the batches used, we can see our batch of D3 listed with the quantity weighed. Timestamps of each action are recorded throughout the compounding processes, which enhances transparency as well as accountability. When we dive a little deeper into the details of the batch, we can see the IU per gram specified, which is straight from the medisca CFA attached as a PDF here. This demonstrates a typical compounding record and the connection from reference formula all the way to the CFA.